Customer Relationship Management, or CRM. Customer relationship management is the process of identifying, attracting, differentiating, and retaining customers. CRM is facilitated by computerized databases that allow organizations to gather, process, and analyze customer information and understand customer purchasing patterns. It allows service marketing organizations to improve the way they interact with those customers over time, strengthen their existing relationships, and manage those relationships on a day-to-day basis. CRM can be used to track and manage sales, cross-sell, which is selling additional services, or upsell, which is selling more expensive services, and to manage customer after-sales service and support. A powerful use of CRM is to help service organizations to identify and understand profitable customers and build a loyal customer base. CRM is based on the old adage that 80% of a company's profits come from 20% of its customers. Therefore, those 20% should receive better service than the 80%. During the past few years, we have seen the evolution of CRM into social CRM. Essentially, this has meant a significant increase in the role of the customer in a company's marketing as well as sales and service departments. The creating of a much more bi-directional model has seen many benefits, including cost savings and an increase to the bottom line. There have been a number of success stories that any business considering to step into social CRM should be aware of, as they can act as both an example and a template of what social CRM can do for a business and its customers. FedEx, one of the biggest names in the social CRM evolution, FedEx, can nevertheless act as an example to both large and small businesses in the way in which they have successfully adopted social CRM. FedEx monitors social networks such as Twitter to keep an eye on how and if they are being discussed. If they see anything that needs addressing, for example a late or non-arrival of a parcel, they engage with the customer directly and suggest ways in which the situation can be resolved. The key point here is that when something goes wrong, businesses that have engaged in social CRM understand that the customers will not necessarily contact the company involved, but will rather discuss the problem on social media platforms. These discussions can quickly have negative impact on the company's brand reputation. Using social media to track such discussions is key, but what is important is not to try to defend actions, but to become part of the conversation and look for a solution. The ability to create a real-time dialogue with their customers means that companies such as FedEx can maintain their reputation and achieve a much higher level of customer service. Harley-Davidson, the iconic motorcycle company, have created a large social community where members post photos of their bikes and talk all things Harley. The company's grasp on the possibilities of social CRM has meant that to ensure that there are always Harley mechanics available to answer queries, as well as staff to offer advice on new models and ownership inquiries. Combining the fun of an owner's club with practical sales, marketing, and service, the site is a template for what social CRM can offer for both companies and their customers.
Hi, I just want to make a deposit.
You have your account number?
Right here.
Lean forward, please.
What is this?
It's our new customer tracking system. It has your account number and barcode. It speeds you right through the line.
Now what?
That line over there.
Feel like banks are getting a bit impersonal?
What's a holdup?
I hate it when these things don't scan.
Try Washington Mutual, because we never forget it's your money. Washington Mutual, more human interest.
Technology greatly enhances CRM processes by identifying current and potential customers. Another concern relating to CRM practices involves privacy issues. How much should a marketing organisation really know about its customers? CRM is also limited by the focus on past purchase patterns. In reality, what someone spends today is not necessarily a good predictor of what their behaviour will be tomorrow. Questions are being asked such as how many potential profitable customers are being eliminated today because their current purchasing behaviour has them slotted and treated as commoners.
In the world of advertising, you look at the ads, but soon they'll be watching you. It's a future imagined in the 2002 movie Minority Report. Cameras capture and read Tom Cruise's face, then customize ads for his character pop up.
John Anderson, you could use a Guinness right about now.
That future is now. This billboard sees you, scans your face, then pulls up an ad you'll like.
Here's how this works. When you walk up to the ad, a camera captures your image. The computer figures out if you're a man or a woman and your age. Meanwhile, an age and gender-specific ad rolls. This shows that I'm in my 30s and I'll like seasonal pasta. The computer then determines how interested you are, how long you stay. That data is then recorded for the company.
So, NEC engineer Junko Amagai says the facial recognition technology is accurate to within 10 years of your actual age. And the next-gen system they're testing out is even more age accurate. This is a new age of advertising, says Amagai. We can learn something we never knew for marketing. The new ads give real-time reactions to street signs, so marketing can be more targeted and more effective. At this retail event in Tokyo, it's capturing worldwide interest. Art Frickus is a consultant visiting from Holland.
I believe in one-on-one communication, and all your messages must be relevant. So that's why I believe in this kind of thing, technology.
Do you feel a little uneasy, though, that
No.
Frickus brushes off privacy concerns or fears that this is Big Brother. NEC, which so far has only tested the digital ads in Japan, says signs warn passers-by they're on camera and images are not saved in the database. In the post-9/11 world, security cameras are everywhere on public streets and malls. Facial recognition technology used by governments, even casinos. NEC believes the use of this technology in advertising is just the next step and will soon be common.
within 2 to 3 years, 10% of the ads will be like this?
10% of the digital signage.
Of digital signage will be like this?
That's a global prediction. NEC says testing begins in the U.S. this spring, just weeks away to the arrival of the future.
How does it sort of take?